Hi everybody, my name is Melody. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to be stylish but still on a budget slash balling on a budget. I'm going to be sharing my tips and tricks on how you can be stylish but still on a budget. So stay tuned. My first tip is to go shopping when there is a holiday going on. You don't have to wait until Christmas, you don't have to wait until Black Friday to get those deals. Basically, deals are going on all the time. So Father's Day, Mother's Day, Memorial Day, the 4th of July, things like that. When there is a holiday, you can get good deals at stores. It's Memorial Day this week and we went to the mall and we went to Adidas and I got a pair of pants for $6 and that is insane. It's amazing. They're super cute jogger pants. That was the best deal. That's the best deal so far of this year, I would say. You gotta take advantage of those deals, take advantage of those holiday seasons. Number 2 is to go to the clearance section at whatever store you're going to. So whatever store you go to, they're bound to have a clearance section, a section where everything is going to be at a cheaper price. One time my mom and I went to Macy's and I got a jacket, a super nice jacket, which originally was, I want to say like $50, and I got it for like $12, which is insane. So I'm telling you, go to the clearance section. Another example is I actually went to New York and Company to get my graduation dress and it was 80% off. I actually got it for $15, which is crazy. I'm telling you, even if you go to brand stores, you need to check out the clearance section. Check out the clearance section. My next tip is for you to sign up for email alerts. When you sign up for email alerts, they will basically tell you when there's deals going on. For example, I'm subscribed to Adidas and they let me know whenever there's like a 50% off or 30% off, stuff like that. When you're in store and they ask you for your email, give them your email. You will not regret it. They will send you notifications when there's a sale, so you gotta take advantage of that. So my next tip is to actually shop at local stores. Where I live, there's a local shoe store where you can get really cute, comfy, affordable shoes for a cheap price. It's not all about the name brands, but sometimes you just need, a little shoe here and there. You should get to know your local stores because there's bargains there. I actually got my prom shoes at this store and they are super cute. I love these shoes. I always get compliments on them when I have them, so check out your local stores, people. You won't regret it. My next tip is for you to go to outlet stores slash outlet malls because you will find some of the same things that you find at these regular stores and you will get them for a discount. You will get them for a much better price. So I really recommend going to outlet stores, outlet malls. They are the best. My next tip is for you guys to go to one of my favorite stores, which is Roth. Roth, you can actually get a bunch of cute things. Roth has a ton of cute tops. They have jeans, they have athletic gear like jogger pants, hoodies, stuff like that. I just love Roth. I always find the cutest t-shirts there, and even shirts, the cutest shirts. Like this shirt, I actually got it at Roth, so shop at Roth. Roth is amazing. My next tip is to look for coupons. Like, this sounds really easy, but a lot of people don't do this, and let me tell you, coupons make the difference. So literally all you have to do is go to Google and type in coupons for whatever store you're looking for. So I even do this when I go to restaurants. For example, Denny's, your girl wants to get a 20% off, and I do this all the time. I literally just go to Google, I type Denny's, and then I click on one of the first ones that says like 20% off, and that works. 90% of the times it works. So let me tell you, Google coupons. My next tip is to visit the online store that you want to go to. Say I want to shop at Forever 21, so I go to Forever 21, and then most of these stores usually have a clearance section. Like it will literally say clearance or it will say sale. You want to go to that section because you will find some great things. You really will. I just ordered 3 things from Forever 21 and I'm telling you, I got some really cute stuff for cheap. Now keep in mind that you do have to pay for shipping, so I would say not to, you know, go ham. I'll be careful. Don't do any 3 a.m. shopping like I do. Don't do that. My next tip is to shop at Dollar Tree. Now hear me out. Dollar Tree is definitely not for clothes, nothing like that, but you can get some really good things for parties. If you're going to the movies, I recommend going to Dollar Tree, getting all your movie snacks, and then, you know, putting that in your purse or your book bag or whatever, and then going to the movies. So you don't have to spend money on movie snacks unless you want, like, you know, your popcorn or your iced tea, stuff like that. But basically your movies, like chocolate, sour candy, stuff like that, you can get that at Dollar Tree. So I'm also going to be making a Dollar Tree video soon, you know, like what you should buy, what you shouldn't buy at Dollar Tree, so stay tuned for that. Finally, the last tip that I have for you guys today is to use the app Coinout. So Coinout is basically an app where you scan receipts and they give you money back for the receipts that you scan. Now it does take time for you to actually get money because each receipt is only worth like a couple of cents, but if you keep doing it, if you do it daily, then you'll get a good amount of money. And I've actually cashed out a few times already, so I really recommend you get this app. If you want some free money, just do it. It's worth the time, it's worth the effort, and you can cash out once every week, so I recommend it. I'll have a link down below. Alright guys, that's all the tips that I have for you today. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.